Good morning, my name is Vineet Sharma. I am from class 6B. I have attended brain engineering class. The 4 days are completed. I have prepared first and second chapter of science. In the first chapter, the name of the first chapter is food components. Food components. The first chapter teach us about the diseases and their food nutrients that help us to recover the diseases. The diseases name are rickets, goiter, night blindness, anemia, and scurvy. There are 5 types of diseases. The first disease, night blindness, is from vitamin A deficiency. Second, ricket is from deficiency of D, and the anemia is from deficiency of iron. So the food products that help us to recover the diseases. For night blindness, we have to eat carrot because carrot has so much vitamin A. For goiter, we have to eat green vegetables and milk because green vegetables give us minerals and vitamins. For iron, we have to eat the iron salt and seafoods. The 4 disease and spinach also. For the second chapter of science book is sorting materials into groups. There are 3 types of groups: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid. In solid, the molecules are tightly packed. In liquid, molecules are closely packed. In gas, the molecules are freely move. The insoluble and soluble substance. The liquid that dissolve in other liquid is called soluble substance, and the liquid do not dissolve in other liquid is called insoluble substance. The second thing is solute, solvent and solution. The universal solvent is water because water can dissolve many substances into it. The solvent is thing in which we dissolve the solute and solution obtained.